friends, welcome back to my channel, and now you are watching the video of hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, review, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location and there is a wide attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 9.0, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Accept major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. One category of amenities that you can book them online and enjoy your stay. Certain and offers are available online for this hotel with various payments and payment policy. If you are planning to book, you can do so through the link provided in the description. If you are facing this kind of problem, you can recommend this hotel. Caterers Beach Be safe, be happy.